What's up guys? Welcome to the video. So today's vlog I'm going to talk about my top 7 ancient travel destinations in Southeast Asia that you should visit before you're going to die. So stay tuned guys. When I'm talking about ancient guys, I'm talking about like 800 years old or more than 2000 years old or more. So yes, it always fascinates me to visit this kind of travel destinations. I'm an old soul, I really love this kind of destinations. It always fascinates me. It stood against time for 1,000 years. It's so fascinating. It was so amazing as for me. Some of you guys also don't like to visit this kind of destinations, but I always love the ancient world. Okay, let's start with number 7, GAJAH or Elephant Temple in Bali, Indonesia. This amazing temple was built more than 1,000 years ago, and it's so nice. It have this unique facade, and it's a place of worship from the ancient world of Balinese. And really, it's so fascinating that this place managed to beat time for 1,000 years plus, and it's really very unique and one of a kind that I never see anything like this in Asia. And truly this one is really amazing, and I highly suggest guys that you should put this one into your bucket list. Number 6, Prambanan Temple in Central Java, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. This temple is the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia, and it's really one of the most beautiful ancient destinations that I ever saw in my life. It's amazing. The architectural design of this temple is truly amazing, and it was certainly one of the best destinations that you should guys visit. And truly, the moment you go there, you can see the beautiful and how amazing they built such thing. Because imagine those people built this one for 1,000 years that they don't have any formal education compared to the people now, the so-called engineers, right, that they managed to build that it will only last for a few years. And it's so fascinating guys that I highly suggest also that you need to visit this one before you're going to die. Number 5, the ancient city of Bagan in Myanmar. One of the most timeless and magical city that I ever saw in my life was in Bagan. It's so amazing that it feels like I was transported back in time. I just walked there and it feels like I've been walking in history, and it's really amazing guys, the feeling that you should visit this one because you can see so many temples like dated back to 800 to 1,000 years old or more. It's truly breathtaking. I really love it. I highly suggest that you should put this one into your bucket list. Bagan is truly one of the most timeless place that I ever visited in my life. Number 4, Mountain Spring of TIRTA EMPUL in Bali, Indonesia. Yes, legends believe and the locals believe that this holy spring is directly from the gods, and it is believed that it can heal and wash away your sins and your illnesses. So when I was there are so many tourists from around the world taking a bath in this holy spring of TIRTA EMPUL, and it's so fascinating guys because this one is a lot of histories, dated back 1,000 years ago, and it's truly amazing to be able to come here. Although I didn't go for a bath because I was just alone and I'm worried for my camera gears and my things, so I just filming the beautiful and unique kind of temple that truly amazing that I highly suggest that if you're going to Bali, you should visit this one at least once in your life because this is truly amazing, and it's really one of the best places that I ever saw in my entire life. Number 3, Angkor Wat and other temples in Siem Reap, Cambodia. One of the most magical places that I ever visited in my life is Cambodia, particularly in Siem Reap. This is truly one of the most beautiful places that I ever been, and really, it's so fascinating to see the Mother Nature's work of art, you know, and look back what belongs to her in a very creative way. Those trees, those man-made versus nature, it's truly amazing. It's truly magical, you know, that I highly suggest, guys, that you need to put this one into your bucket list. And also Angkor Wat is also the largest religious monument in the world. Originally it is a Hindu temple but converted into a Buddhist temple. This is really one of the most beautiful destinations that I highly suggest that you visit in Southeast Asia. You will never regret it. Number 2, Borobudur Temple in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. This 1,200 years old temple is the largest Buddhist temple in the world, and this one is really truly amazing. The architectural design is so unique that you never see anything like this in this world, and really it's so fascinating to be able to come here because it's truly magnificent and remarkable how beautiful this magical temple truly is. And it's truly amazing, you know, that I highly suggest, guys, that you must come here in your future travels, because this is one of the most beautiful places that you will ever see in your life. It's truly amazing, it's remarkable in its own way, and it's really fascinating to see that such temple exists in this world. Truly one of the most beautiful travel destinations that you should put in your bucket list as well. The last but not the least, number 1, SHWEDAGON Pagoda in Yangon, Myanmar. This 2,600 years old pagoda that makes the oldest pagoda in the world. The main pagodas consist of 60,000 tons of pure gold. You know, the people from around Myanmar donated gold in order to preserve the pagodas, and it's truly amazing, guys, that also this is one of the most beautiful and amazing structure that I ever saw in my life, because, you know, it also have 4 ancient relics of Buddhas. You know, the SHWEDAGON Pagoda or the Great Dagon Pagoda is also symbolizes the Myanmar. It's truly one of the most magical country that I ever been. It's truly amazing. It's so rich in history, and this one is really one of the most beautiful places that I ever saw in my life, that I highly suggest, guys, that you also need to visit this one before you're going to die. So, guys, if you are still around, you deserve a bonus. Yes. Okay, here's the bonus, guys. AYUTTHAYA in Thailand. Although I've been to Thailand for several times. I've been to Bangkok, I've been to northern Thailand, in Chiang Rai, in Chiang Mai. Also, I've been in Phuket. So, but I never been to AYUTTHAYA. I never been there. But this one also is one of the ancient world that you need to visit when you are in Thailand. It's also nice. The history is amazing, and this one is also one of the most beautiful destinations that I ever saw in the internet. Perhaps one day I'm going to go back in Thailand and visit this beautiful and ancient city of AYUTTHAYA in Thailand. So, guys, have you visited any of these ancient travel destinations? If you do so, please comment down below and let me know about it. Guys, if you like this video and if you want to see videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell button so that you get notified every time I'm going to upload a new video. And also, guys, click the video on the screen.